Hello students, this is lecture of class 10 subject maths exercise 5.3. Today we will solve our next example of this exercise, example 15. The statement is find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of the number whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. मीन्स हमें फर्स्ट 24 टर्म्स का सम निकालना है जिसमें जो लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स हमारे पास दिया जाएगा जिसकी nth टर्म हमारे पास यहाँ दे रखी है, that is an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Look at these statements. In the previous example we have not given the nth term, but in these sums we have given the nth term, so we have to generate the list of the numbers. But in the previous sums we have already given the list of the numbers, but now here we have given the nth term of the list of the numbers. So that is given an is equal to 3 plus 2. Clear? Put n is equal to 1, that is it will become like 3 plus 2 into 1, it will become that is 5. When you will put n is equal to 2, it will become 3 plus 2 into 2, that is 3 plus 2 to the 4, that is 7, and so on. When you will put like 1 2 3 and so on in this nth term, we will get the list of the AP, that is 5, 7, 9 and so on. First we have to check this list of numbers form an AP or not. For finding the AP we have to find out the common difference between two consecutive terms. Clear? Now to check, that is A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 5, that is 2, and A3 minus A2, that is 9 minus 7 equal to 2. Means common difference is same, so the given list of the numbers form an AP with common difference 2. Now here A is equal to 5, D is equal to 2 and N is equal to 24. Substitute this value in this formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. When you will put all the value of like a, d, n, you will get the result, that is 672. It means first 424 टर्म्स का जो सम आएगा हमारे पास वो कितना हो जाएगा, 672 हो जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ यू हैव टू सोल्व द सम्स फ्रॉम 4 to 9 of exercise 5.3 in fair notebook. Clear? Exercise 5.3. And there is a one more informations for you. A test will be held of exercise 5.1 and 5.2. Clear? Of these chapters. Clear? On Wednesday. Clear? That is on date 22 July. Clear? Be ready for it. You have to prepare 5.1 exercise and 5.2 exercise for the test. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.